So we're gonna I think they have eggs there, Mahal.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see.
In the vending machine, yes.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look if they have. It's a fresh, what do you call that, Malco? Biological?
Biological farm, eh?
Biological farm.
With free-range chicken.
Oh, eh?
Yeah, they have free-range chicken, and the eggs from the free-range chicken are biological. Because they feed them biological and they are out in the open.
Oh, okay.
This is the biological farmhouse. But you don't see the pig. It can be that the meadow is a bit further away, a little bit further away.
What is that? Hard out.
Wood lumps for your fireplace. You can bring it here. And if you want to buy eggs, you can buy eggs from here.
Ah, eggs! That's eggs!
That's yeah.
It's a vending eggs!
Yeah.
Ah!
From their own production.
Kijk! Oh yeah, daar!
With recycled boxes.
Ah, okay.
That's the trick.
And how can you bought there?
No, yeah, with your card.
Ah.
Try it. And you see there is their rack for the vegetable sales on Saturday.
Where? Ah, there.
And you can also buy vegetables here. And the idea is that you leave your money in the box and that you take your biological stuffies. Here they have even mushrooms, you see.
Oh, okay.
Pears, apples, and then you leave your €2. You see?
Cute, eh? Strict product.
You want a demonstration?
Yeah, or?
A lot of eggs.
And?
When they are fresh. Yeah, I tried it in the past, but then my card was refused and I stopped.
Okay. Sige, try to purchase. It's an egg fridge.
Select the product.
Oh, it's cute.
And the idea is that next time you bring your box, they fill your box. And on a Saturday they fill your box.
What do you call this, Mag? Egg automat?
This is a automat, but it's a vending machine. But there can be other products in.
Ah, okay.
Here I choose eggs, but there can be other products here. But I think it was full with eggs now.
Ah.
Because it's one price.
Cute naman. Now we have egg. Wow.
From the original free-range chicken. But now you have a bag on you.
No, I don't have the bag. You need to bring like this. Oh, this is the product, Mahal.
Yeah. Every Saturday, 10 till 14.
Ah.
Cheese. Carrots, vegetables.
What is this? Jams?
Yeah, jam, the homemade jam, eh?
Ah, juice, apple sap?
Juice, yeah. Cheese, juice, chicken they also have.
Okay.
Streek product. Streek means product is produce of. Streek is regional products.
Cute, no? Wow, it's my first time to saw something like this, Mal.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah, and further down the road, there are farms. They have it in front of the house. You can drive up.
Really?
Yeah.
But we're passing here already before, but we never saw anything.
Some farmers have it here on the road, and then you leave your money in the box, and then you buy a product. So if you want. If you want
it's cute. Now we have eggs.
Yeah, but if you want vegetables, you have to pay cash.
Ah, cute. They have eggs. They have eggs. They have chickens, man.
Yeah. As a boy, I worked on
Cute.
the farm when I was a school
Cute,
boy.
cute, cute.
Hello.
Boy. Now, you, my Eggman. Eggman, freshly bought
From the farm.
from the farm.
Directly from the farm.
Yes.
Directly from the chicken's back.
Yeah.
Chicken's back.
And
Looking back on the chicken's
And you
back.
know what's interesting?
No.
You know what's interesting? It's the first time that I saw an egg in a vending machine. That's the first time. I never saw something like that, Mahal.
Yeah.
That's why I'm very curious. What's inside that small house?
Vegetables and eggs.
Wow.
And you can get your local products from there.
Yeah, because we passed there already
Yeah.
before. But that time,
Yeah.
there's nothing in there.
Yeah, of course.
It's
Oh.
closed. Yeah, it's
Oh.
nothing in there. Only dogs, yes. There is a dog inside, honestly.
Oh.
So that's why I really don't know that there is something like that. So cute. Ang cute talaga.
Cute. This must be about me.
Mahal, cute,
Yeah?
cute talaga is
Cute
so
talaga.
cute.
So cute.
Yes. That it's like talaga means right? Really.
Really?
Yes. Is really and talaga.
Okay. Now we're done.
So it's a new, what do you call that, Malco? Word conversion.
Yeah.
New learning.
UJXCC, no?